Swagbucks earn money. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to swagbucks.com. On the homepage, check the box to agree to the terms. Then log in using your email or Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll see several ways to start earning Swagbucks or SB points right from the top of the screen. Click the Answer tab to complete paid surveys, the Play tab to earn by installing and playing games on Android or iOS, and the Discover tab to find a variety of other tasks and offers. Click More to find your referral link, which you can share with friends. When someone registers using your link, you earn even more SB. To redeem your SB for money, go back to More and click on Redeem Reward. You'll see your total SB displayed on the left side of the screen. Choose your preferred payment method. I'm using Skrill as an example. Then select the amount that matches your SB balance and hit Redeem. And that's it. Now you're officially earning real rewards with Swagbucks.